Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today, we're focusing on adjustment letters, a type of professional correspondence that companies use to address customer complaints or issues with a product or service. An adjustment letter is all about resolving a problem, maintaining the customer's trust, and reinforcing the company's reputation. So, in today's episode, we'll go through a sample adjustment letter step by step. I'll explain each part of the letter in detail so you'll know exactly how to craft one effectively. Let's dive in. The header, establishing credibility. We start with the header. Green Tech Solutions Incorporated, 5438 Brookfield Avenue, Dallas, Texas, 75201. November 20th, 2024. This section includes the company name, address, and date. Including your company's full details gives the letter a professional look and assures the recipient that the response comes directly from the business. Now we move to the recipient's information. Mr. James Carter, 1789 Maple Lane, San Francisco, California, 94110. Adding the recipient's full name and address ensures the letter feels personal. It's not just a generic response. It's tailored to their specific concern, which builds trust. The subject line, clarity is key. Next, we have the subject line. Subject, adjustment on your recent purchase. The subject line summarizes the purpose of the letter. When crafting your subject line, aim for clarity and professionalism. It should tell the recipient exactly what the letter is about, so they can quickly understand its context. Opening paragraph. Apologizing sincerely. Let's look at the opening paragraph. Dear Mr. Carter, thank you for reaching out to us regarding the issue with your recent purchase of the Smart Eco Air Purifier, Model SE-2024. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience caused by the defect in the unit you received. This opening does several things right. First, it acknowledges the customer's communication, showing that their concerns have been heard. Then, it mentions the specific product, the Smart Eco Air Purifier, Model SE-2024, to make the response personalized and precise. Most importantly, it offers a clear apology. Apologies should always be sincere and empathetic. Words like, "We sincerely apologize," convey that the company genuinely cares about the inconvenience caused. Explaining the resolution, building trust. Now, we move to the second paragraph. After thoroughly reviewing your complaint and examining the details of your purchase, we have identified the issue as a manufacturing defect. We assure you that this is not a reflection of our usual quality standards. To address this matter, we are pleased to offer you a replacement unit free of charge. The replacement unit will be shipped to your address within 5 business days, and we will cover all shipping costs. This paragraph is all about taking responsibility and offering a clear solution. Notice how the letter 1. Explains the issue, a manufacturing defect, to give transparency. 2. Reassures the customer. This is not a reflection of our usual quality standards, to protect the company's reputation. 3. Offers a concrete resolution, a replacement unit free of charge, which directly solves the problem. When you write an adjustment letter, always provide a detailed explanation of how you'll fix the issue. Include specifics like timelines, such as within 5 business days, and emphasize that the customer won't bear any additional costs. Adding extra value, strengthening the relationship. The letter continues. Additionally, as a token of our apology, we are offering a $25 gift card for use on future purchases from Green Tech Solutions, Inc. We value your trust and loyalty and want to ensure your complete satisfaction with our products and services. Offering a small gesture, like a $25 gift card, shows the company's commitment to making things right. This goes beyond solving the immediate problem. It helps rebuild goodwill and encourages the customer to continue their relationship with the company. If you're writing an adjustment letter, think about including something extra, a discount, gift card, or voucher. It doesn't have to be large. The gesture itself speaks volumes. encouraging communication, keeping the door open. Next, the letter addresses further communication. If you have any further questions or require assistance, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service team at 800-555-7890 or via email at support@greentechsolutions.com. This sentence is crucial because it invites the customer to reach out if they need more help. Providing clear contact information, both a phone number and an email address, makes it easy for the customer to get in touch. When crafting this part of your letter, ensure your tone is approachable and supportive. Use phrases like, "Do not hesitate to encourage open communication." Closing paragraph. Apologizing again and expressing gratitude. The letter ends on a positive note. Once again, we apologize for this experience and appreciate your patience and understanding. We look forward to serving you better in the future. Here, the writer repeats the apology, reinforcing sincerity. The phrase "we appreciate your patience and understanding" acknowledges the customer's cooperation. Finally, the closing expresses optimism about the future relationship, leaving the customer with a good impression. Professional sign-off. Finally, the sign-off includes the writer's details. Sincerely, Rachel Mendez, Customer Service Manager, GreenTech Solutions Incorporated, 800-555-7890, support@greentechsolutions.com. This section is professional and includes multiple ways to contact the writer. The sign-off, sincerely, is appropriate for a formal yet friendly letter. And that's how you write an effective adjustment letter. Let's recap the key elements. Use a professional header with complete details. Acknowledge the customer's concerns and apologize sincerely. Explain the issue and offer a clear, specific resolution. Include a gesture of goodwill to rebuild trust. Provide contact details for further assistance. End with a positive, empathetic closing. Adjustment letters aren't just about resolving problems. They're an opportunity to strengthen the relationship with your customer. Handle them with care, and your customers will appreciate your professionalism and dedication. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more tips on professional writing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.